Today I'm gonna unbox the Blasses multifunction Apple Watch wallet tracker. So in the previous video, I already do the review on this one. Did the white one, so you can see the white one. I already did it on the previous video, and then this video I gonna show you this one did the black one, so you can see the difference. See, this one it have plastic core, and then this one it had look like that. It have the fabric, yeah, the fabric material. Yeah, it look really firm. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so I just open it from the box. Okay, and then they how it look. So this one, yeah, this one for the Apple Watch tracker. So it had two outlets. The first one for the Apple Watch, and the second one for the iPhone tracker. Well, actually, that I really like this one because I have so many tracker with the plastic one. It looks like this one, and you see that the connector between the core, and yeah, you see that it always break between this part and then this part. It always every tracker, but for this tracker I think that I really like it because it looks like real flexible. I don't think that it's easy to break though. Yeah, I never seen anything like this before. I don't have any tracker like this before, so I'm pretty sure that this one it is gonna last. So you can see, yeah, really close for the material, so that you can see it. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this material. It looks very quality too. Okay, so yeah, look really nice. Yeah, this one is a USB connector. You put it in the USB and then it's gonna charge really quick though. I already tried it, and then yeah, it's a really quick charger. So yeah, really cool. Yeah, really nice material. So I'm gonna put a link down on my video. It's available right now on Amazon so that you can order it. Thank you for watching. Bye.